Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Login. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset your password for Investors Bank account if you've forgotten your password during logging in. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Now let's get started. Open up a web browser and go to your address bar at the top and type in www.investorsbank.com and enter. You'll end up in the main homepage of Investors Bank, which looks like this. Go to the sign in button in the upper right hand in orange and click it on. This should bring up an expanded menu. Go ahead and enter your username in the text box that appears at the top. Now, in case you don't remember your username, you can click on this link right here where it says Forgot User ID. Simply follow the on-screen prompts in order to look for your user ID. After you're done, on the next field, if you happen to remember your password during the process, type it in. But in case you don't, click on this Forgot Password link. This will open up a new tab. Right in the box that appears on the next page, type in your user ID one more time. Make sure to type it in correct and click on Next. On the next page, you'll need to simply follow the on-screen prompts, which will direct you to the next page where you can change your password to a new one. That is how you'll be able to reset your password for your online banking account for Investors Bank. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.